Hare Krishna. Did you know the entire data of this world has been estimated to be around 79 zettabytes? Which means if you take 1 terabyte of hard disk and you have 79 billion of this 1 terabyte, that is equal to 79 zettabytes. And that is a massive amount of data just for this planet Earth. If this is the data of the entire world, then what about the universe? Lord Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, Ekam sena stito jagat, with a single fragment of myself, I pervade and maintain this entire universe. And how does he maintain? He expands himself into Balaram, who expands himself into Lord Ananta Shesha, the 1,000-hooded snakes. So Lord Ananta is the storehouse of all the data and information of Lord Krishna's pastime. With thousands of mouths, he vibrates the glories of the Lord continuously. But still, he does not find the end to the qualities of Lord Krishna. When we say God is omnipotent, this is precisely the definition that even his personal incarnation, Shesha, cannot find the end to his potencies. When the data is updated in Shesha's mouth and mind about the Lord's pastimes, the Lord pastimes increases and expands, and then there's a competition between the knowledge of understanding the potency, and the potency is continuously increasing. And this is how Lord Ananta is engaged in storing all the data of Lord Krishna's pastime, and he appears as Lord Nityananda Prabhu to teach us about the glories of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is none other than Lord Krishna. Just like how valuable jewels are kept safely in a treasure box, similarly, the valuable and most precious pastimes of Krishna are stored in the mouth of Lord Anantadev. And that tongue which glorifies Lord Ananta or Balaram or Nityananda will become qualified to glorify Lord Krishna and Lord Chaitanya. I therefore surrender unto the lotus feet of Lord Ananta, Lord Baladev and Lord Nityananda. Jai Shri Baladev K.